I tried Qualtricscom reviews app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people get this wrong. They think Qualtrics is just a survey tool, but it's so much more. I spent a full week exploring the app to see if it really delivers insights that businesses and researchers can trust. On day 1, I created an account and explored the dashboard. The platform provides survey building, audience targeting, and real-time analytics. Most people skip the advanced features, but that's where the magic happens. You can tailor questions, track engagement, and measure response quality instantly. By day 3, I launched a test survey. You won't believe what happens next. The app immediately highlighted response trends and outliers, helping me understand data in ways I never expected. The surprising truth is that Qualtrics goes beyond simple survey results. It analyzes patterns and provides actionable insights. By day 5, I experimented with audience segmentation and custom reporting. Most people get this wrong by assuming all survey tools provide the same level of detail, but Qualtrics allows filtering by demographics, behavior, and even sentiment, which makes the data far more useful. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. Qualtricscom Reviews app is more than a survey tool. It's a powerful platform for decision making. Most people underestimate its capabilities because they focus only on basic surveys, but digging into its analytics features shows why major corporations rely on it. If you want to make smarter, data-driven decisions, this app is worth exploring. The shocking truth: Qualtrics can transform raw survey responses into clear, actionable insights that actually drive results.